Well, look, it's a possibility if you may encounter the same issue. So, you see, when someone is to change the hard drive of this DP700A3D Samsung, you have to be very sure of this cable here. Because as you can see, there is now some sort of different glue, right? So when I was working here, from just cleaning with the electro clean to make things cleaner before I opened here on the motherboard itself, this blue thing, it was open before, so this blue slip fell off. So when that blue slip fell off, that meant that I didn't have display for almost the whole day, and the client was here to pick up the laptop. So that was bad, because also, I was trying to close this in a rush. So again, never try to close laptops in a rush or computers in a rush, because then something may malfunction, and hence why I would rather do these things without the clients being there. So after 2 days of trying, I thought I was gonna have to buy another Flexi. You know, I reattached this, then I actually put some glue in there. And one thing that was important was to align the blue. Actually, it's a bit out of line, but it works. And after fiddling a little bit, I finally got some display, you know. So that's quite nice. Yeah, and that's actually the full display. The client really is in accounting, so things are hanging here. But apart from that, it's a very nice machine. It functions quite nicely. Yeah, LIBCONNECT Africa, we're in the building, man. That's what's up.